Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the outgoing shipment in one step. So, in the inventory management of logistics, an outgoing shipment in one step refers to a streamlined process where products are directly transferred from the stock to the customers without intermediate steps like staging or additional quality checks and all. So, this approach can significantly reduce the processing time, labor cost, and potential errors. So let's see how can we manage the outgoing shipment in one step in Odoo 18 inventory. For that, you can just dive into the inventory module. From there, let's move on to the configuration and choose warehouses under the warehouse management. I'm going to choose warehouse 2 over here, and here you can see that the outgoing shipment is just an in delivery. I mean, just delivering the item in one step. Afterwards, you can just move on to the sales module in order to manage with an order. For that, you can just click on View button where you can fill out the details of the customer. I'm going to choose the customer as ready mat where you can just add the product which is monitor stand. So I would like to choose a monitor stand with one quantity over here. So currently you can see that the quantity in this warehouse is not visible over here. This is because under the other info, we can see that the warehouses that is taken is as your company, that is the default warehouse. So here we just need to change the warehouse. Now let me save the changes that has made and let's move on to the order lines. And here you can see that we are just performing the outgoing shipment in one step for the warehouse too. So as we have said that, you can see currently we have the items in the stocks in our inventory and we can just confirm the order. So as we just confirm the order, the quotation is just moved into the quotation states to the sales order. Afterwards, we can directly just deliver the item from the warehouse stock to the customer side, but I'm not validating it from here. Instead of that, let me move on to the inventory module. Under the inventory here, you can just drag down and you would be able to find the delivery operations of warehouse 2. So under this, you would be able to find the transfer that is created. So let me choose that and here you can just click on validate so that we can just do with the validation of the process, which means we can easily deliver the item to the customers. So, by carefully planning and implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve the efficiency and accuracy of your outgoing shipments, leading to more streamlined and cost effective operation. So, we have just 10 with the delivery of the item from our source location to the customer side directly without using any further steps such as picking, packing, and other quality checks and all. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.